Hi, my name is Lisa. I'm an account executive in the photography industry, and I would give Less Annoying CRM 5 out of 5 stars. If you'd like to see more reviews like this, click the link below. Yeah, I have been a project manager and an account executive in the marketing industry for 2 decades, and I have tried a myriad of database CRMs, things like that. I've used Team Gantt, I've used Zoho, I've used an Excel spreadsheet, and they were either so overly simple that we wouldn't be able to grow into them. We would very quickly use them to their capacity, and then they wouldn't have the features that we need, or they were so overly complicated that we would just be using a fraction of their features, and the learning curve would just take entirely too long. So obviously an Excel spreadsheet is very, very simple, and we customized spreadsheets as best we could. Team Gantt, we just didn't need, for this particular role, we didn't need the actual Gantt feature. Um, Less Annoying CRM is just perfect for capturing the data that we need, being able to retrieve it quickly, being able to share it, and assigning users. So we've been extremely happy with it. We chose Less Annoying in this particular company with the teammates that we've got for the user interface, the ease of the user interface, and the shareability. The contacts feature is so simple. You can either enter a person and all of their information, or you can enter a company and then assign it people, which is, to be honest, a feature that a lot of other CRMs don't have. It's either one or the other. The tasks feature is incredibly helpful because it pops up on your dashboard every day, so you can attach a task to a contact. So you've just got an update right there of what the last interaction you had was with the client, and then what the next step is, or a note from that last interaction, which is incredible. The calendar feature was probably the biggest selling point for us, so that we could add our photographers as users so they could see the calendar, but we could limit their permissions so that they could just view it and so that they couldn't edit it. So I'm the only one who can enter all of the information, and they can see everything. They just can't futz with it. So that was really important to us. And again, the user interface is so clear and so simple for so many different personality types and technology comfortability levels to use. It was incredibly simple. Like I said, the user interface is so intuitive for anybody. If you are used to just browsing anything online, it's just that simple. The left sidebar just clearly states whether or not you want to get into contacts, tasks, or the calendar. Um, and so that just shows up. And even the phone part of it, even though it's not a proper app, as they say, the navigation on your phone is so clear. You just select whether or not you want to get into tasks, contacts, or calendar. And then from that, on the right-hand side, you can drill down even further whether or not you want to see the day view, the task view, the agenda view. And then again, contacts, you can just expand to see everything. So the user interface is so attractive, like I said, for every personality type and every technology level, that we simply just sent the link out to everybody. They put it on their phones or their desktop, and we didn't even really have to have an onboarding amongst us. Everybody, it was so intuitive when they saw it. There weren't many questions, which is great. It doesn't take a lot of time. I would say this is just the best for simplicity. I understand in some marketing fields you may need to track a sales funnel. I understand that there are more expansive needs that a marketing firm might need, but the simplicity of use and just the clarity of the information. So again, within the contact, you can make a note every time that you reach out to them and contact them. I believe you can even, from the desktop and your phone, if the phone number is in a contact, you can click on it and it'll call automatically, which is really nice. And the email feature, I know I'm probably going back in the last question, but I absolutely love in the CRM that when I'm in a contact, I can click on the email address that we have on file, and I can email directly from the CRM, and it actually sends a copy to my email address that's linked to it. So I always have that in my sent folder as well, which is really nice. to be able to go into my email account and see what emails have gone through. So it's sort of, they work in tandem that way. That's a huge feature for us. And then again, the ease of the calendar where I can put an event, I can actually link a contact to the event, which is incredible. Just with one click, it'll say add a contact to this event or attach a contact, and I do. And then we can add our users, which are our teammates, and I can add as many teammates as I need to. And again, just setting those permissions so that they can either see it or edit it. But it's just the ease of use. It is so intuitive for what we need, that it's just remarkable not to have that ramp up time. It didn't take weeks for us to install and have a team meeting and show everybody how it works. And there's never been any troubleshooting ever. We've never had a teammate have to say, well, I don't know where to find this, or how do I look for this? It is just so clear, and the features are just very simple. It's incredible.